Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we are discussing about quadratic equation as well as complex number. Okay. Now, my dear students, today I am going to deal with first topic in mathematics subject. That is, first chapter is sets. In this topic, total marks: 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 questions, then 3 mark 1 question. 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 questions, 3 mark 1 question. Totally 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 marks. In this topic 8 marks. Okay. Now very simple concept. Sets means what? Kannada word ganagalu. I think you are already in previous year, isn't it? So define sets. Sets means what? That is collection of. Set means it is a collection of well defined objects. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಗಣಗಳು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಗಣಗಳು. ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ ಗಣಗಳು. ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಣಗಳು. ಓಕೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್: set of natural numbers, set of integers, isn't it? Set of natural numbers, ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಒಂದು ಗಣ. Set of integers. Okay. Then set of rivers in India, isn't it? Then set of students who scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics in second Q examination in the year 2020 in Karnataka state, isn't it? These are the examples of sets. There are so many examples. Set of districts in Karnataka state, set of vowels in English alphabet, isn't it? So these are the examples of set. However, set andrenu, it is a collection of well defined objects. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಗಣಗಳು. Example: set of natural numbers. Natural number denoted by the letter you know, n. Remember, n stands for set of natural numbers. I stands for, I or z stands for set of integers. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, n stands for set of natural numbers. I or z stands for integers. Q stands for rational number. Q, rational number is denoted by Q. Q dash stands for irrational number, set of irrational number. Then R stands for real numbers. These are the notations. R stands for real numbers. C, or again you call it as a Z, stands for complex number. Even though Z integer ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, complex number ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. Okay. Then Greek notations. This notation, read it as belongs to. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? Belongs to. ಈ shape ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is belongs to. Okay. Belongs to ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. Okay. Then that notation stands for empty. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? empty. ಶೂನ್ಯ, empty. Okay. Then reverse notation of belongs to. This is known as such that. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? such that. Then another notation, reverse E. That notation indicate there exist. Read it as there exist. These are all Greek notations. Remember. Okay. So definition of set: it is a collection of well defined objects. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಗಣಗಳು. Example: set of natural numbers. that is n is equal to what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Another example, set of vowels in English alphabet. A stands for set of vowels. What are the vowels in English alphabet? Swaragala Undugana. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Then set of districts in Karnataka state. Set of prime numbers. Set of composite numbers. These are the examples of set. Okay. Now here, in first example, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These numbers are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Either numbers or letters. Those letters or numbers are called, okay, Nantara, that is known as elements of a set. Elements of a set. Set ಒಳಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ numbers ಅಥವಾ letters ಗೆ elements ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು. ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು. ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಣಗಳು. ಆ ಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ numbers ಅಥವಾ letters ಗೆ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು. Elements of a set. Okay, so these are the examples of set. Remember. Now here in sets, it can be represented by two types. It can be represented by two types. Now sets can be represented by two types. There are two methods of representing a set. What are those two methods? First method is roster form. What? Roster form. Another method is builder form. Set builder form. They will be asked in final exam. 1 mark question. Now, there are two methods representing a set, namely roster form as well as set builder form. Roster form means what? Write all the elements of a set. On the roster form andre adralle ella elements gannu barimi separate agi like this. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This is roster form. Okay. Another example, vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. ಯಾವ vowels ಅನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is roster form. However, builder form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? Builder form is compact notation method. Compact method. How to write? Builder form is set of vowels. Set of vowels in English alphabet. In English alphabet. This is builder form. Is the vowels ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿ. ಯಾವ vowels ಅನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is roster form. This is builder form. What about roster form? Within roster form ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Right? Another example of builder form. Set of odd natural numbers. Notation method, that is builder form. Write the elements. ಅವು ಯಾವ elements ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is roster form. This is builder form. Now they will be asked, write the roster form of set of all odd natural numbers. ಇದು builder form ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. Write in roster form. How to write roster form? ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Set of odd natural numbers. What are odd natural numbers? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. This is builder form. Sorry, roster form. That is builder form. Okay. Set of districts in Karnataka state. It is builder form. Then write in roster form. Other roster form ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? There are so many districts. Okay, isn't it? Hubli, sorry, that is Gadag, Dharwad, Haveri, Chitradurga, Davangere. These are the districts. Set of districts ಅನ್ನೋದು it is builder form. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ districts ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is roster form. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು roster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು write in builder form ಅಥವಾ builder form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು write in roster form. There are two methods representing a set, namely roster form as well as set builder form. Roster form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು as you know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on plus n ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? that is nothing but sigma n. This is builder. This is what? Roster. That is roster form. This is builder form. Okay. ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಬೋಲಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಆ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲಾಬರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. They will ask in final exam. Okay. Now here for example, there are some examples of builder form into roster form as well as roster form into builder form. Okay. Now look here. Now here the first problem they will ask in final exam. So remember definition of set. It is a collection of well defined objects. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ನಂತರ ಗಣಗಳು. Okay, it is a collection of well defined objects. Sets are represented by two methods. First method is roster form, another method is builder form. Now they will ask in final exam. Now the question like this: write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in the roster form. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. This is builder form. ಇದನ್ನ roster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. How to solve x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0? It is quadratic equation. It has two roots. You know, splitting up middle term, factorize upward this. If you multiply by any two number, you get 2. Subtract that same number, you get 1. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we write x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. Among those two take x common. X plus 2 minus 1 common. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now first factor x minus 1. Second factor x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, roster form element is equal to minus 2, comma 1. This is roster form. Okay. Similarly, another example. Write the set x such that again denoted by slash. Remember, such that mathematically denoted by slash or 2 points or like this. Okay, that notation indicates such that, not bar. Read it as such that x is a positive integer. Okay, x is a positive integer and x square less than 40 in the roster form. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ builder form ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಇದು roster form ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನ? Take the positive integer such that this condition is satisfied. X square less than 40. Okay, x square value ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 40 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. That is one question. Roster form x square less than 40. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Take one by one. Positive integer. Put x equal to 1. 1 square. X value 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 square. 1 square less than 40. 1 square and 1. 1 now 40 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Yes. Then take x is equal to 2. 2 square. How much? 4. 4 is less than 40. Yes. Put x is 3. 3 square. 9. 9 less than 40. Yes. Put x is 4. 4 square. 16. 16 less than 40. Correct. Then put x is 5. 5 square. 25. 25 less than 40 or not? Yes. That is x is 4. X is 5. Correct. Put x is 2. Then put x is 6. 6 square. 36. 36 less than 40. Yes. Put x is 7. 7 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. 7 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7 square. 49. Is it 49 is less than 40? No. ಮುಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. Only 6 numbers. ಈ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is roster form. Okay. Another example. See, that is write the following sets Write the following set A is equal to x such that x is an integer, and minus 3 less than x less than 7 in a roster form. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಿದೆ x ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? -3 ಮತ್ತು 7 ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. x lies between -3 and 7. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? x is more than -3 less than 7. more than -3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? -2. -2 is more than -3. correct? next -1, then 0, -3 less than 0. correct? correct already. next 1 is less than 7. correct? 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 7 less than 7? no. This is roster form. Correct? Similarly, another example. Write the set C is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digits is a. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವು, ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟೇಕ್ two natural numbers such that their sum become 8. ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 7 ನೋಡಿ, 1 plus 7 8. next 2 6, 2 plus 6 8. next 3 5, 3 plus 5 8. next ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 plus 4 8. next 5 3, 5 plus 3 8. next number 6 2, 6 plus 2 8. next 7 1, 7 plus 1 8. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 8 0, 8 plus 0 8. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? 8 is natural number. ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 plus 0 8. so these are the numbers. this is roster form. ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. they will ask one more question. okay students, second part. ಈ previous part ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ is given. now the question is write the following set in builder form. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. that is known as builder form. how to write? every solution. A is the set. Is A set ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A is the set 3 6 9 12. how to write it? now 3 6 9 12 observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. these are multiples of 3 table of ಬರ್ತವಲ್ಲ. so how to write? x such that x is equal to 3n, where n is ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು? belongs to natural number and 1 less than or equal to n, 1 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 4. this is builder form. check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ ಬರೆದಿದ್ನ? multiples of 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. so x is equal to 3n, n value put n is equal to 1, 3 into 1 3, put n is 2, 3 into 2 6, put n is 3, 3 into 3 9, put n is 4, 3 into 4 12, where n lies between 1 and 4. but don't take n is equal to 5. actually if you take n is equal to 5, 3 5 are 15, but in 15 ಇಲ್ಲ, only 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4 numbers. that is 1 n lies between 1 and 4. n value ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ರಿಂದ 4 ವರೆಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. 4 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ 1 to 4. this is builder form. similarly in here ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, A is the set. this is roster form. write in builder form. here ಬರೀತಾರೆ 2 4 8 16 32. observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, these are all powers of 2 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. that is how to write? x such that x is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n is set of natural number. Small n is set of natural number and n lies between 1 and 5. Nori, put n is equal to 1, 2 power 1, 2. Put n is equal to 2, 2 power 2, 4. Put n is equal to 3, 2 power 3, 8. Put n is equal to 4, 2 power 4, 16. Put n is equal to 5, 2 power 5, 32. Up to 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, this is builder form. What are these? Is an observatory. Write the set 5, 25, 125, 625. Write in builder form. Now here take P is the set. Now how to write in builder form? Observe again. Those numbers are powers of 5. 5 power, isn't it? So how to write x such that x is equal to 5 power n. Same way, where n is set of natural number and n lies between 1 and 4. Now number 1, 2, 3, 4. N lies between 1 and 4. Check it. Put n is 1, 5 power 1, 5. Put n is 2, 5 power 2. 5 square how much? 25. Put n is 3, 5 power 3, 125. Put n is 4, 5 power 4, 625. Correct? Similarly, fifth one, fourth one. Write the set. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Write in builder form. Note, observe my number here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think, is it even number? Yes. So how to write? C is equal to x such that x is an even integer. Even positive integer. Or simply even number. This is builder form. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. What was fifth one? X such that x is a letter in the word trigonometry. ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to write? Now here if you take D is the set. Write in roster form. How to write? T R I G O N. O already taken. Don't repeat it. Repeat ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ O ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Single element. Roster form ಗ single element ಇರಬೇಕು. O already is there. N O is there. Okay. Then M is not there. Then E not there. T is there. Leave it. R is there. Leave it. 1. Don't write all letters. Repeated letters in 2 times break over. Only 1 time. Okay. Then next one is another question. Write the set E is equal to x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. 31 ದಿವಸ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮಂತ್ಗಳು ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, because February is less than 31 days, isn't it? Next, April less than 31 days. Correct now? Check ಮಾಡಿ. Next, June. I think June is also less than 31 days. Right? Then September, I think less than 31 days. Then one more, November. This is roster form. Right? Then next question. See, F is the set builder form X such that X is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. K ಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂದಿನ. There are 26 alphabets. Out of 26 alphabets, if you take the some alphabets which is precedes K, and those letters should be consonant. Consonant vowels ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Out of 26 alphabets, 5 alphabets are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Remaining alphabets are consonants. You 5 alphabets ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತಾರ? ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು, consonants. ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ K ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K the previous alphabets. ಅವು ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Consonants, not vowels. Vowels ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, consonants. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, because A is vowel. Then first letter ಯಾವುದು? B. B is not vowel, it is consonant. Next C. Next ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? D. A, B, C, D. E ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, because E is vowel. E is an vowel. Leave it. F. F is consonant. G is consonant. H is consonant. I? No, it is vowel. Okay. J consonant. K no precedes K. K is beginning. This is roster form. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 mark question they will ask in final exam. Clear students? So said that is there are represented by two methods of a set, namely roster form as well as builder form. To convert roster form into builder form, convert the builder form into roster form. Clear ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Okay students. Yes students, next result is different types of sets, different varieties of sets, different types of sets. Now first type is empty set. Empty or another name is null or another name is void set. Okay. Type number 2, finite and infinite set. Finite and infinite set. Type number 3, subset. Subset. Type number 4, equal sets. Equal sets. Type number 5, intervals. Intervals as subset of real number R. Okay. Then type number 6. There are so many types. Now let us discuss about one by one. So first one is empty set or null set or void set. Define empty set. Kannada word shunya gana. Okay. Define empty set. A set having no element, that is known as empty set or null set or void set. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. Now the empty set or null set or void set is denoted by the notation phi. Read it as phi, not pi, phi. Idu pi, this is phi, this is pi, that is phi. So a set having no elements, that is known as empty set or null set. Now for example, the x is the set such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0, where x belongs to real number. Verify whether it is empty set or not. This empty set ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ x square plus 1 is equal to 0. To find the value of x value find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ x value ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, it is non empty set. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. x square plus 1 is equal to 0 implies x square is equal to 1 goes to right side minus 1. Now taking the square root of both sides, x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1, that is plus or minus. You know that square root of minus 1 is I. Is it real number? No, does not belongs to real number. Idu belongs to symbol. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ does not belongs to ಸೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನ, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಬಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, A is the set. X such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0, where x is belongs to real number. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ ಯಾವುದು? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. Therefore this is that question is empty set. ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? empty set. No element, ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, so many numbers 1 2 3 4 ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದವು, that is not empty set. empty ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, that is known as empty set or null set. Best example of null set is set of real number satisfying the equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0 is empty set. ಯಾಕೆ empty ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು x value find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಎದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ imaginary complex form does not belongs to real number, therefore this is an example of empty set. A set having no elements, that is known as empty set. Okay, artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Another example, if you take one more example of empty set, ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, that is x. Set A is the set consisting of x number of elements such that x square is equal to 4, x is odd. Nodi, x square is equal to 4, x is odd. Find the value of x. X value find out ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ x value ಎದರ ಇರಬೇಕು? odd number ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, solve ಮಾಡಿ. X square is equal to 4. Therefore, taking the square root of both x is equal to plus or minus root 4. Plus or minus root 4 is 2. Is it 2 is odd number? No, it is even number. But ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನು? odd number. This is empty set. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as empty set or null set. So a set having no element, that is known as empty set or null set. Okay. Then define type number 2, finite and infinite set. A set A is said to be, or a set N is said to be finite set. ಯಾವಾಗ finite set ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? If A contains, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ set A contains ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? finite number of elements. ಆ set ಒಳಗ finite number of elements ಇರಬೇಕು. Hence, that is A is equal to. How to write the finite set? A is equal to, that is set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Set of even numbers less than 12. Set of even numbers less than 12. That is, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Not 12 because less than 12. This is finite set because in the set contains only finite number of elements. Okay, a set A is said to be finite set if A contains finite number of elements, whereas a set A is said to be an infinite set. A set A is said to be an infinite set if A contains infinite number of elements. A contains infinite number of elements up to infinity. Infinite number of elements. For example, set of natural numbers, so many numbers, or set of real numbers. What are real numbers? 1, 2, 3, root 5, root 7. There are so many numbers up to infinity. A set ಒಳಗೆ infinity numbers ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is infinite set. A set ಒಳಗೆ only finite numbers ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as finite set. Okay. Next, third type is subset. Subset, not pump set. Subset. Define subset. Look here. Consider two sets. You know that sets are usually denoted by using capital letters A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z and so on. Okay. Now define subset. A set A is said to be subset of B. ಉಪಗಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಉಪಗಣ. A set A is said to be subset of B if ಯಾವಾಗ every element of A belongs to or is an element in B. A set A is said to subset of B if all the elements of A belongs to set B. All the elements of A is an element in B, which is denoted by A is subset of B. That notation indicate subset. It is subset symbol. Upagana. Okay. ಇದರ meaning ಏನು? A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇರದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ A set A is subset of B ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. For example, A is the set consisting of three numbers 1, 2. B is the set consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very fine. Whether the set A contains three elements, whether these three elements belongs to B, you more elements B dogidava? Yes, no problem. But A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ elements B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? So clearly A is subset of B. ಯಾಕ A set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ elements B ದೊಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as subset. Is it B is subset of A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. B ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇದಾವ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 4 5 ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ so here B is not subset of A only A is subset of B A ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ಒಳಗೆ ಇದಾವ but B ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ so when you say that A is subset of B all the elements of set A belongs to set B A set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B set it is said to be subset. Okay. Now this example is A is subset of B. This is notation for subset. Okay. Next one is equal sets. When you say that two sets are equal, remember two sets A and B are said to be equal. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if yavagagutte every element of A is an element in B every element of A is an element in B and every element of B is an element in A. Every part, Thomas part is also true. Every element of A is an element in B. Honestly, every element of B is an element of A. Then it is said to be equal sets and it is denoted by A is equal to B. Two sets are equal. When you say that two sets are equal, every element of A is an element in B. It is denoted by A is subset of B. And conversely, every element of B is an element in A. That is, B is also subset of A. It means in both the sets having same number of elements, equal number of elements. Two sets are equal number of elements. That is known as equal sets. For example, A is the set 1, 2. B is the set again 1, 2. Clearly A is subset of B as well as B is subset of A. Therefore these two sets are equal. Okay, remember when you say that two sets are equal, A is equal to B implies A is subset of B as well as B is subset of A. Then only these two sets are equal. It means in both the sets having equal number of elements. Two sets same number of elements that is known as equal sets. Okay, now one more type. What is that? Intervals as subset of real number. That is most important. They will ask in final exam. Again one more question. Intervals as subset of real number. Okay, now here intervals as subset of real number. There are 4 parts. What are those 4 parts? First part is open interval. Second part is closed interval. Open interval. Closed intervals. Then semi-open interval. After open ಆಗಿರೋದು. Semi-open interval. Then next one is semi-closed interval. ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, semi-open interval and semi-closed interval. Now let us discuss about one by one. So first one is open interval. Now consider two numbers. Say let A and B belongs to real number R. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ a, b ಅವೆರಡು ಏನು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 13, 10, 7, -3, 8, like that. In general, a and b are any two real numbers. Now define open interval. Remember the set of all real numbers. The set of all real numbers between a and b. The set of all real numbers between, that is most important, not included, between a and b. Between a and b means what? Excluding a, excluding b. a ಮತ್ತು b ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is known as open interval, which is denoted by open bracket ab. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? That is open bracket ab is equal to set of all real numbers. X is a real number. Set of all real numbers such that ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಆ real number between a and b. That is a is less than x, less than b. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರರ್ಥ ಏನು? ನಾ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಯಾವುದು x ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವುದು ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ now if you take the number 2, 4, open interval 2, 4, ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? set of all real numbers between 2 and 4, not 2, not 4, between 2 ಮತ್ತು 4 ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, more than 2, 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, less than 4 ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 and 3, 3.1. yes. For example 2, 4 ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? take the real numbers between 2 and 4, not included 2 and 4. 2, 4 include ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. more than 2, less than 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? more than 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇರಬಹುದು, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.99, but not 4. so how to write? x belongs to real number. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ between 2 and 4, it may be 3 ಇರಬಹುದು, it may be 3.1, 3.2, our number such that how to write? 2 is less than x, less than 4. This is an example of open interval. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ 2, 4. ಓಪನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನೊಟೇಷನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? whereas define closed interval, again consider two real numbers a and b belongs to real number in general. Then the set of all real numbers including a and b. in previous result between a and b, here including a and b. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಎರಡು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. the set of all real numbers including a and b, that is known as closed interval, which is denoted by square bracket ab. ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. how to write? ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ab write in the builder form. in builder form ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? set of all real numbers, set of all real numbers between a and b including a and b. including a and b ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? such that a less than or equal to x, less than or equal to b. including ಇದ್ದಾಗ equal to, excluding ಇದ್ದಾಗ only less than. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. so this is closed interval. for example write the interval 4, 12 in a builder form. in a builder form ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, ರೋಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. how to write? x belongs to real number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is closed interval. ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is open interval. ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ including those two number such that how to write? 4 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 12. this is closed interval. adavanta. whereas next one is semi open interval. semi open artha semi open interval consider the real numbers a and b such that a and b are real numbers, such that the set of all real numbers, the set of all real numbers excluding a except a and including b. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, a ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು, b ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. set of all real numbers excluding a and including b, that is known as semi open interval. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? semi open interval, which is denoted by like this, that is open excluding a open bracket including b close bracket. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೆಮಿ ಓಪನ್. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ at b ಅಂದ್ರೆ b ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, therefore mathematically we write semi open interval a, open at a, close at b is equal to how to write? X belongs to real number such that, how to write? Have very free, open at a ಇದ್ದಾಗ only less than. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. not only less than or equal to b, or including b. This is an definition of semi open interval. Clear? Similarly, semi closed interval, again consider two real numbers a and b such that the set of all real numbers such that, you know, close at a ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ b. Okay, there are four types of intervals: closed open interval, closed interval, semi open interval, semi closed interval. Now here in these intervals, write in real number line system. How to write in number line system? In open interval AB, how to write? This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. That is only circle. Draw the circle, that is open interval. This is open interval. This is open interval number line. Open interval ಗೆ only ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Only circle. Okay. Whereas closed interval ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ A B and circle with shade. ಈ ತರ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ AB. This is open interval AB. This is closed interval AB. Whereas semi open interval in number line system ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? Open at A, only circle, right? Closed at B, circle with shade. This is shaded, this is open. Open at A, only circle. Closed at B, that is circle with shaded. This is open at A, closed at B, that is semi open interval. Whereas semi closed interval AB, how to write in number line? Closed at A ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. Closed at A, circle with shade. Open at B, only circle. Only circle ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is open interval. Circle ಗೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is closed interval. Notations: closed, that is circle with shaded, represented by closed interval, with the only circle not shaded, represented by open interval. Clear, students? So there are four different types of intervals, namely open interval, closed interval, semi open interval and semi closed interval. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ AB ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, A ಮತ್ತು B ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ 7,12 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಓಪನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 7,12 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯಾವುದರ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇವೆ, either it may be open interval, closed interval, semi open interval, semi closed interval. Now here open interval AB, closed interval AB, semi open interval AB, semi closed interval AB. Among those, anyone is given. Now note that the length of the interval. Remember one more question. length of the interval always equal to b minus a. Remember, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ask ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Now write the length of the interval 6, 12. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 1 mark question. This is a, that is b. ಹೌದಾ? Now what is the formula for length of the interval? b minus a. What is b? 12 minus 6, that is 6. That question was asked in 2018 annual exam. 1 mark question, part A, first question. Find the length of the interval 6, 12. Either it will be closed ಇರಬಹುದು, open ಇರಬಹುದು, semi closed or semi open, ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ. So the formula for length of the interval is b minus a. So these are the types of sets. Now there are so many different types of sets. Remaining types of sets, now let us discuss about next class. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.